What's good, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have a brand new package that I want to unbox on camera because this is one of those things that I've been looking for a while now, and I finally managed to pull the trigger. So for the first box we have the shoe box. You can already see what shoes these are. Nike SB box. This would have came together, but you know, the homie kind of messed up. He forgot to add this to the other package, which I'll show you. But yeah, he shipped them, so shout out to the homie. And we actually have purple laces right here. The shoebox was not it. The shoebox came in this package right here. You guys probably see what this is. If you guys know, you guys know. We have this kind of like container type. I don't even know what you call these, but this is like that type of container I guess you would find lobsters in. But yeah, you have this big ass container, and then it has a lid on there which actually says Concepts Nike SB, and then you have that right there, and then you have the sizing right there. Then you just open this bad boy up, take the lid off, and then this lid is actually kind of like a thick plastic, and it has that print on it. And then you just get this container. Like I said, it's like one of those containers you would find, I guess, like fish or lobsters in. And then on the other side, it says Concepts and Nike SB embossed out on there, like on the bottom of the container. And then obviously you get the shoes, which is the green lobsters. I've been looking to grab a pair of these for a while now. You know, I've been keeping an eye on StockX and GOAT, and yeah, I saw these for a really good price, and I just decided to pull the trigger there, and I got them dead stock with the package and everything. And these shoes are fire. Obviously, green lobsters. The whole shoe is this nice green. Your Nike swoosh is that dark green. Bottom, it's another type of green, kind of like a lime green. Midsole is black. You get this like dark forest green laces on there. Nike SB. And then your inside is like a picnic table, but in green and white. Kind of see that, bam. And you do get extra laces. You get black laces, just kind of like pinkish laces, and then you obviously get the I don't even know what these are called, the rubber bands. You get them in two colors, this grayish and this dark blue. It's like those rubber bands where when you go in store and you see a lobster, they put it around their claws so they don't snap you or whatever. You can actually put these on the shoes if you would like. I want to give a huge shout out to Moosetraxshop. This is all their info if you guys want to go check them out. They sell a whole bunch of heat and stuff. This is where I got these green lobsters from, and I got them for a decent price. So if you guys want to check them out, check them out. Definitely good people over there. And yeah, all of their info will be down in the description down below as well. If you guys want to go check them out, Instagram, their website, everything will be down there. If you guys want to go check them out, give them a follow on Instagram. Huge shout out to Moosetraxshop once again. Make sure to check them out. And yeah, that's just a little quick unboxing of the green lobsters, my latest to the collection. Definitely happy to have these. And yeah, that is going to be it. A little quick unboxing. Make sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.